This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Dog!
Oh!
What do I hear? Uh-oh, uh-oh. What do I see? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Someone's crying. Uh-oh, uh-oh. We need to help her. A fly is crying, she is sick. We need to help her quick. Where should we go? Where should
Cat.
we go? To hospital, to hospital.
Dog.
Dog. Alright.
Cat.
Hey.
Parrot. Plane. Fly. Wow. Yeah.
What does the dog say? Does it meow or neigh?
The dog says woof woof woof. The dog barks woof woof woof. He's nice, don't be afraid.
La, 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 la. What does the pig say? Does it meow or neigh? Wait, the pig says oink oink oink. The pig snorts oink
Yeah.
oink oink.
We are having fun, having fun. We're dancing in the sun,
Anger.
dancing in the sun.
Ew.
Then we hear squeaky sound, squeaky sound. Something's flying all around. Are those mosquitoes in the air? Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh, it's so
Joy.
itchy. So itchy. I wanna scratch it. It's so itchy here and there, left and on my right. Oh, it's so itchy. Oh, so very itchy. We are playing in the room. We are playing with the... What's that sound? It's scary, creepy,
Oh no!
and so loud.
Hello.
What's that sound? Hurry up and help me out. It's a ghost. I think it's coming from over there.
Don't worry, we're having a great time.
Just don't have too much fun without us.
Stuck? Party? Don't have fun. Got it. Your friends are enjoying the party, and they don't want you to have too much fun. Message ends.
Well, that's not very fair. We're all stuck in here and they're out enjoying the party in the park.
I bet our friends are feeling pretty sorry for us, especially since they're getting to watch the party and we're not. Party is only for one day, Lilac. But we get to enjoy a beautiful park all year round. You're right, Rose. And at least Bobby and Bibi are enjoying our new flowers. I've just had an idea. We've got to get their attention.
No problem. Bobby, Bibi.
Shh! Visitor will hear you. We need to get the bunny's attention another way. This calls for my famous seagull impression. Allow me.
Did you all hear that? Sounds like a turtle about to lay an egg.
It worked, didn't it? Nice to see you, but we gotta get back to the party. The visitors all want to take our pictures.
On account of we're so cute, because we're bunnies.
Fluffy
Bunnies.
Bobby, they know what cute is. So you understand, we must go.
Guys, wait! Could you take us to some of your tunnels? We need to get back to the village without being seen.
We could, but it would mean missing out on being called cute, which a bunny could never hear too often. I mean, you think you get tired of it, but no. There it is again. Cute! Thank you! Cute! Thanks! Oh,
A vegetable or two would sweeten the deal.
Oh, I just used the last of my magic growing that flower.
and I'm tapped out from last night.
We can promise you food when we get to the village. Thorn's kitchen is always full of food.
There's no food in this entire kitchen. I've been picking it fresh from the garden every day, and Zinnia won't let us go outside.
Don't worry, Chef Thorne. We'll come up with something, like you always tell me. All you need is a little imagination.
At least we have water, that's the main thing.
There you go. With a little imagination, it could be delicious cream of water soup.
Ah, I forgot my pot of dirt.
That's the spirit, Chef Thorne. Pot of dirt stew.
I meant we could grow some food in this pot so we have something to eat.
Oh, right. See? That's why you're in charge, and I just work here.
Is it just me, or is this tunnel getting darker?
It's just you. Baby, can you see okay with your perfect rabbit eyes?
Of course! What a question!
You see?
Lilybuds, join hands so we stay together.
All right, we have to decide what to grow, and we only have one chance.
Oh, only one chance? What if we plant the wrong thing? How about spinach? Ooh, or a lovely big pumpkin?
No pumpkin. We can only plant something very small. Even a head of lettuce would be too...
Big thistle.
Why do we ever trust those rabbits? Maybe we should go back.
No way! This tunnel is muddy and amazing!
It's also dark. I think Lilac's right. We should turn back and just hide somewhere. What's that?
What are you all doing in my private tunnel?
Oh, hello, Ellery. It's you.
Rose. Other lilybuds whose names I don't bother to know?
You know perfectly well my name is Lilac. And this isn't your tunnel, it's the bunnies.
They're letting us use it because we promised to feed them after. Well then, I shall light your way and you shall feed me too.
Huh? Did you take those lights from the party, Ellery?
Certainly not. I borrowed them. When I'm finished, I'll take them back to my house.
What is he doing here?
I've decided to contribute some party lights to your little expedition. Now, just how far away are we from the Buttercup?
Over here!
I'll go and check if it's safe. Wait here. What happened? Is everyone okay?
Hey, Rose, we're fine. Just stuck behind a lettuce.
A giant lettuce which I grew by accident. Actually, it's perfect, Thistle. Bobby! Bibi! Here's the food we promised you.
Finally!
A reward. Our friends are blocked in by a giant lettuce situation. Huh? It'll be fine. Bobby and Bibi are going to eat it down in no time.
What? What's this? You ate all the lettuce?
You can have the rest.
We just want a nap. A chipmunk of my position is supposed to eat mere leftovers? Why not? Leftovers need love too.
We thought you were outside enjoying the party.
Bunny, we thought the same thing about you. Guess all that really matters is we're safe and together again. Listen! Music! And we have the perfect setup for our own party. Lights, music, and no risk of being seen.
Come on down, everyone!
Yeah!